I'm watch on YouTube.
Candy truck, look.
Okay, sure. I love you.
Who did this to my window? Done!
Sir, can I please have it back? No, please don't do that. Why is he so mad at me?
What have you done to my son? Can't take this, just don't hurt him. After everything I sacrificed. Why did you do that? You've made me so upset. This is what you do? You don't deserve this anymore?
Not my colors, please. Why is everyone so mad at me? Please, Mom, don't do this, please. Please, don't. Why would she throw this away?
YouTube.
Candy Truck, I can YouTube and video. That's at your grounded jam months. I'm your call parents.
Set go home right now. Candy Truck, how dare video on YouTube? That's it, you're grounded 20 mons. Get on Word computer right now.
Alright, I'll just.
12 minutes later.
I am home, Mom.
First go your Word computer, then eat food.
Yes.
I told you to do your Word computers first. And here you are TV showing watch.
Mom, I did half of my Word on computers, just a little bit is left.
That's enough today, I'm quitting. Today I'm an end to this watch once and for all.
Mom, what have you done? This was the thing that made feel good and you ruined it.
No, go to your room right now.